The ultimate camouflage, a puppy pretending to be a stone.
No. No. I said no.
This is a magic trick between the dog and the owner. It's so impressive. Courage, they said. Oh, we left that outside with the thunder. Tiny bark, 0 damage, but 100% determined to win this epic foot battle.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
Every fetch champion needs their signature clumsy move.
Just dry food for dinner, Copley.
When your human thinks they know better than a professional food critic.
Come on, it's good for you.
Well, sometimes humans can be a little clingy. How I imagine elephants have their first steps ever.
Okay, that's enough.
A puppy is a guaranteed recipe for joy, and occasionally some pretty funny backflips. No dogs in the house, he said.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your window.
Me when I see my paycheck for the month.
Can you sit? Wait. Can you wait? Buck, wait.
Gym memberships are overrated. Just follow your dog's cardio plan. Run, jump, repeat. Me when people talk about adulting.
Good morning. Paw. Give me paw. Paw.
Nope.
Road trip rule. Paws up, worries down. He's the newest member of the crew. Quality control? On it.
Good morning, bud.
Puppies decide to start their own cleaning company. You think your bedtime is cute? Check out Grandpa and his pup. Tucking yourself in like a pro, because even puppies need their beauty sleep. If patience is a virtue, then give him a gold medal. Even the most dignified gentleman can trip over his row. This pup's got moves you won't believe. Ninja skill, level 100.
Sit. Chic. Oh.
Snow facials. Results may vary, but at least you'll look cool.
You ready? What is this? Oh my goodness.
When your puppy thinks kissing you goodbye is a full-time job.
Show me your bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie. Show me that bad dog.
Puppy, I'm shaking your paw, then a kiss too? This dog's neck flexibility is on another level. Cirque du Soleil could use them.
Put your finger in your dog's face and see what they do.
I think this girl is having another love at first sight. Guys, note this down. Some call it whistling. I call it puppy summoning magic. Forget the doghouse. I'm building a paper palace.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
Guys, look at the new Winterland mascot. The only thing cuter than Disney characters, it's him. This pup is training for the upcoming Witch Wars, one room at a time.
Come on. Come on. Let's go.
Turns out, I'm my own best friend. Tail chasing level expert.
When you find a floof sleeping in its natural habitat, do these two things. Number 1, move to the floof. Number 2, boop the floof.
Traveling in style with my human chauffeur. Life is good.
Okay, look here. Sit. Good. Shake. No. Sit. Shake. Good boy.
The moment you finally meet your online bestie in person.
This is what the greatest feeling in the world looks like.
Detective Paws is solving the mystery of the missing snowflakes. New puppy protocol. Size does not matter. Enthusiasm, however, is mandatory. Me working while a squirrel is having a picnic outside. Sailing through life. Nap first, work later. Thanks for watching our adorable Golden Retriever pups in action. Like and subscribe for more cuteness and laughs. See you soon.